Very good morning to all. I welcome you back once again in the lecture of business economics. On the today's lecture, we are going to start our last content of our syllabus, that is production function. In the earlier lecture, we studied about the concept of demand and demand forecasting, where we studied about every business firm, how it estimates its future demand. What are their, you can say, what are the types they prefer to forecast their demand, and what are their importance as well. Means it is the necessary condition for every business firm to sustain in the market and to avoid the risk. But the fourth chapter we are going to start is related to the production function. When the businessman want to start the production, he should think about which factor I required, what are the share of every factor in the production, and as per the calculation of the role of that particular factor of production in the production level, you can take the various decision, which one should be increased or which one should remain कॉन्स्टंट. कुठलंही प्रोडक्शन, कुठल्याही वस्तूचं प्रोडक्शन करायचं झालं की त्याच्यासाठी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन लागतात. लक्षात घ्या, विच वॉज यू ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन द 12th स्टँडर्ड. देर आर 4 मेन फॅक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन लाईक लँड, लेबर, capital, raw material and entrepreneur. Apart from that, there is you can say the machinery is there also. Raw material is also you required for the production. Means number of inputs you required, and with the help of that inputs means the variable which can be used for the production. The inputs you are using, and with the help of that input, how much output you are producing, that the relation is showing in this chapter is nothing but the production function. So we started with the production. I am started from the very grassroots level because some of you are coming from the non-commerce background. So in the slide you can say that what is the production. First of all you have to understand what is the production. Production means उत्पादन, ज्याला तुम्ही मराठीत काय म्हणता, उत्पादन. मराठी मीडियमच्या मुलांना हे लगेच लक्षात येईल की उत्पादन म्हणजेच काय, द ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द रॉ मटेरियल इनटू finished good. Or here you can say that it's an activity that transform the input into output. When you transfer the things into the finished goods means those goods which can readily used. म्हणजे जे काही रेडीमेड असतात. आता मी समजा आता शॉपिंगला गेले, आय परचेस ड्रेस फॉर मी, रेडीमेड ड्रेस फॉर मी. It is output because when I purchased it, I can easily use it. It is a ready-made, it is a instant. Okay. But there are some factors which is not readily used. You have to do some process on it. Then it's called as raw material. काही गोष्टी अशा असतात की ज्या तुम्ही रॉ नाही वापरू शकत. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय परचेस द wheat from the market. I not eat that wheat as it is. I have to do the process on it. I have to, म्हणजे मला त्याचं पीठ करावं लागेल, त्याचं कणिक मळायला लागेल, त्याच्यानंतर मला चपाती लाटायला लागेल, ती भाजायला लागेल, and then it is eatable. Means you have to understand there are some things which is available in the raw form, and there are some things which is available into finished form. Finished form means those commodity can instantly use. If I purchase the pack of biscuit, I tear that pack and easily eat it. It is a ready-made food or the instant food. But if I purchase the maida, then I have to make the biscuit from it. I have to do the process on it. Then and then only I can do the biscuit. And this is, I can produce the biscuit, and this is the readable commodity. So first of all, you have to understand, guys, what is the meaning of production. Production is nothing but transformation of input into output. When you transform the goods into output is nothing but the production. Or the other thing is there, the transformation of a raw material into finished form. Let me consider आता रानातनं कापूस निघतो. That cotton is not useful, readily useful. Now you have to do the processing of it. After the processing, you have to make the cloth from it. That cloth should be stitched, and after stitching, if the shirt made from it, then it's called as a output because it is readily used by the customer. Okay. On the next slide, you can see that when you think about the production, there are number of factors which apply on it.